So if you have been filming a video and the sound is totally low, don't worry, this video is for you. In this video I will show you the exact way to increase your sound or your voice in your video. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial now. So if you are new here, I'm Miracle Update. In this channel I teach video editing tutorials and editing mistakes you should avoid to keep your video professional. So if that sounds like what you want, kindly hit the subscribe button and stay connected as we dive into the tutorial now. Alright, so let's move on. So this is YouCut over here. We are going to use YouCut to achieve this. So click on YouCut. Alright, so once you open, click on the plus icon over here, then new project. Import the video you want to increase the sound. Okay, so let's say this is the video I want to increase the sound, and I will now import the video. Alright, so let me play the video for you to see the sound in the video right now. Okay, so can you see the sound? The sound is not that audible. So this is how you can increase it in a simple method. Tap on the video clip, the one you want to increase, then go to this volume over here, tap on it, then high it to the end, which is 200. Okay, so after highing it like that, click on the check mark to save your work. Okay, so after that, then let's see the video now.
2 days for serious people only, so take the advantage now with 1K only. Don't miss.
All right, do you see that the volume has increased? The volume of the video has increased. So this is a simple way to increase a volume in your video. Okay, so depending on how you want to edit, normally the sound that you overlay shouldn't, if it's a background music, it shouldn't pass the main video sound, okay, which is the full voice. Okay, so it shouldn't pass it. Let me say if you are doing like a motivational video, okay, so the voice that you speak out should be audible than the sound, the music you add as a background music. Okay, so it should be audible more than the music, so people can understand and know what you are trying to say. It will be boring when people come to your video and the background sound is more than the main voice. Okay, so it will make them to be confused. Alright, so if you found value from this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also share to your friends so that they will also benefit from this video. Okay, and state the next video you would like to watch next. Okay, don't forget to subscribe for more content tips, and I'll see you in the next video.